please give a massive Enactus welcome to the education area responsible at Reggio Children, Paola Riccò.
So welcome, Paola. Thank you very much for hosting us. We know that the Reggio Children Foundation does an incredible work worldwide promoting quality education and well-being for a community.
And Paola, our question for you is, what made you say yes to Enactus? And why did you feel our mission fits so perfectly with everything you do here?
Buongiorno, good morning everybody. Welcome to Reggio Emilia, and on behalf of the President of Reggio Children, Maddalena Tedeschi, and all our colleagues, we are very pleased to welcome you at the Loris Malaguzzi International Center. So there are a number of reasons, I think, that led us to accept the invitation we received to host this important event, and we are very, very pleased and very also grateful to Enactus Italy, the foundation which is organizing this important event. I think that one also special thank you was to be given to Francesca Baldi of Baldi Finance, because I think she is the one who made us really accept this connection and made it possible for us to really host this important event. So thank you very much to all of you. Just a couple of words about the Loris Malaguzzi International Center and about Reggio Children, so that maybe we can also find together the reasons why it is something we have in common. I think we share a lot of values and perspective for the future. Reggio Children and the Loris Malaguzzi Center were created from this experience of the municipal infant toddler centers and preschools in Reggio Emilia. Municipal schools that also, as you said, the Princess of Wales decided to come last week to visit the schools. So the choice I think that she made was really to understand, to come here to understand how early childhood education can really shape the future of society and community. And I think that she found some interesting ideas. We hope that the collaboration will continue, and we strongly believe that not only is important to invest in early childhood education, but really to invest on the professional development of all human beings, starting from zero, so when we are especially in the field of 0 to 6, so early childhood education, but the Loris Malaguzzi Center is a place that welcomes everybody, and it is a place where students, professors, scholars, but also young children, educators, but also people from the business field can find a place to gather and find a place to talk about innovation, research, internationality, which are the key values of Reggio Children and also of the Reggio Emilia approach. The Loris Malaguzzi Center was born 20 years ago. And so this year we are celebrating 20 years of existence, and we are also celebrating really an increase of initiatives and opportunity here in Reggio Emilia. So we look forward to continuing and to also expand our connections, and we hope that this also will be an occasion to create also new dialogues and new opportunities also to interact with maybe organizations that are a little bit behind or on a side of early childhood education, which is our core business. But we think that if you invest in education, especially young children, I think you invest on human capital, and this is, I think, what we are all here for. So thank you so much for being here. Enjoy these days and good luck.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Paola, for your words and, of course, for opening the doors to this amazing location to us. Yeah. So one big round of applause for Paola Riccò, please.